everyone, welcome back. In this session we would learn how to solve the practice problem C++ 2D array set 1. So first let us understand the question and then we would solve it. So basically in this question we are given an array, let's say 2D array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and I need to find the transpose of the given array. So basically in simple words, transpose means that we interchange the rows and column. So let's say if I am finding the transpose of the given array, so the transpose would be, now this would become the new row. So that means 1, 4, 7. Okay, then this would become the second row, that is 2, 5, 8. And finally this would become the last row, that is 3, 6, 9. Okay, so basically I just interchanged the row and column and got my output. Okay, so this is how we transpose a given matrix. I hope the concept is clear to you, and we would be using vectors in C++ to solve this question. So let's do that. So first you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty section, you need to choose school. Okay, after choosing school, you need to find the problem C++ 2D array set 1. Okay, once you find it, you need to click on solve. Okay, let's see the question first. Given a 2D array of integers having n into n elements, print the transpose of the array. Okay, and we need to code the question over here. Okay, so let's start by declaring a vector over here. Okay, so let's start. So first step is vector, brackets, vector. Okay, now the vector is an integer vector. Okay, so let's close this. Again we need to declare it, so v, 1 minute, space. Now what kind of vector? It would have m elements, then vector. Okay, then again I need to declare integer. Okay, after this circular brackets, capital M. Okay, now this is declared. Now I would apply two for loops. Okay, one for row and one for column, and then I would just interchange the row and column. Okay, so let's start. For I equal to 0, okay, I less than m, okay, and I plus plus, curly brackets, enter. Now the second for loop would be with j. Okay, 0, semicolon, j is less than m. Okay, then j plus plus. 1 minute, I made a mistake here. Okay, over here it would be j plus plus. Okay, then next line I am interchanging, right? So let's interchange. 1 minute, let me just remove this from here first. Okay, now yeah, okay, over here it's interchanging, right? So v, I, then j, I am interchanging it with a, j, okay, and this would be I. Okay, now finally I would just return with the value of v, right? So return v, semicolon. Now to check if it is correct or not, I would click on compile and run. Okay, so let's wait. There is an error. Let's check the error out. Okay, so the error is in j not declared. Okay, I forgot to write integer over here. 1 minute, and same goes for here. 1 minute. Okay, now let me click on compile and run. Let's wait. Let's see. The compilation is done and my output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the given problem. Okay, let me submit it. Okay, so it is getting submitted and the problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the practice problem C++ 2D array set 1. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. If you like the video, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel, and thank you for joining me today. Thank you.